All right, everybody, welcome back to Rocky Mountain Homestead. I'm not going to show me because I am a hot mess. The truck came early. We got our Azure Standard order today, and I am the drop coordinator. So this was our second drop up at our location, and he came early, and me and my friend were the only ones there, and we unloaded the whole truck. Let's get right into what we got this month. For the month of November, I got these Stacy's organic tortillas. I absolutely love these. They're really convenient to have in the freezer. We do a lot of Mexican. So I got the small ones and I got the large ones. If you haven't tried these, they're amazing. These are just something new that I got to give a try. We got the chocolate candies last month and we actually really enjoyed them. They were really tasty. So we got these just to stock up. These will last us a very, very long time. Over here, we have pie pumpkins. I am thrilled about this. Every year, me and the kids, we take these apart. We make our own pumpkin puree and toasted seeds, and we are going to take you guys along this year and do a video on that. Hold on a sec. My friend was driving down the road, her husband, and beeped. My kids are outside playing. So anyway, I was wondering who was honking. So we got these pie pumpkins. I think this was 35 pounds. So 35 pounds of pie pumpkins. We are going to can. We're going to make our own puree for our pumpkin pies this Thanksgiving and toast seeds. So there will be a video coming. This I ordered. Okay, so let's get to these first. The canning lids. They have the 4 Jars brand. I don't know how many of you follow, like canning YouTube channels. I follow Sutton's Days. I love her. I've learned a lot from her over time. And she had experienced some troubles with the ball canning lids. I never experienced a problem up until recently, and my lids started popping like randomly after I've already canned weeks ago. So I'm switching to 4 Jars. Guys, Azure Standard carries these now, 100 lids. I got the wide mouth and I got 100 lids of the regular mouth. Yes, I'm very excited they carry them. This I opened up because I wasn't sure what on earth it was. 10 pounds of raisins, so that's kind of how it's packaged. It's in a box, you open it, and there's 10 pounds of raisins in there. These I got oh my God, don't mind me. I need to slow my roll a little bit here. I'm going. Cranberries, so I got whole frozen cranberries. We are going to be doing some canning. I'm going to do a canning video on cranberry sauce to make your own, and there's one that I make that I don't can. And I got more frozen blueberries because I plan on doing batch cooking some muffins. The others in the freezer are going to be used for blueberry pie filling. I'll have a video on that as well. I got some oranges, just Valencia oranges, 4 pounds. I'm going to be dehydrating those. The book that you get, I have tons of seeds, but these are the onion chive seeds. They're heirlooms, and so I just figured, what the heck, why not get some? Got some dried cranberries, but they're apple juice infused, but they're like wet. And I know from dehydrating, your stuff's not really supposed to be wet. So I don't know. I'm probably going to get these out and use them up pretty quickly because I don't think they're supposed to be that wet. The Charlie soap, the laundry pre-spray was back in stock, so I got that. I got 3 of these, and I'm kind of glad I got 3 because it has, get it together, Angela. It has a really long expiration date, so August 2025, so these will last a long time. But I got 3, and there are, let's see, 16 bags per box. It's just organic throat coat made by Traditional Medicinals. So for sore throats during flu and cold season, we already got hit pretty hard with that. So I got some matcha. This is something new I'm trying. Green tea. I drink a lot of espresso. I drink 12 shots of espresso a day at maximum. I know it's not good. I know. I have 8 kids. Listen, unless you homeschool and you have that many kids, you got to keep up with them. I know it's not good for me. But anyway, I'm going to give this a try. This seems like a good alternative. I got some more Spry gum. Yes, I keep it in the car. Yes, we have dogs and cats. So this has been in my car and we already went through it. So this is new, Mind, Body, and Soul 5-pound bag. That is 5 pounds, right? Yes, 5-pound bag of Equal Exchange coffee, whole bean. Last time I think it was the French roast, and I was really pleased with it. So just trying something new. These I'm not too thrilled with, but I did get 50 pounds total of yellow potatoes. I thought they were going to be big. Like a couple months ago, I got some really large potatoes because I plan to can and dehydrate, but these are really small. So it's just going to be a little bit more difficult, like having to peel them all and you know, can and dehydrate. But I'm going to be canning and dehydrating potatoes. I'll take you along for a video as well. Got some raw walnuts with the holidays and baking and recipes coming up. They were out of the pecans, so I wasn't able to get those. Some more ginger. I'm preserving these. The other ones I used, so these will be for preservation. And then I got some black chia seeds. I use these in protein shakes and on yogurt, Greek yogurt with granola and miscellaneous things. I'm walking you around our table. I hope you don't get dizzy, so don't mind this. This is only 1/8 of our clothing haul for our kids. We're going into fall and winter season. Although I did get these for my niece. They're super cute. Kohl's. I always get the majority of our clothes from Kohl's. I used to from Old Navy, but they kind of don't do that anymore. But cute. Anyway, laundry day. I have this and another mountain of things. These, I'm happy they are back in stock. So these are the sunflower sprouting seeds, black oil, organic, 25-pound bag. I got these for our chickens. We have turkeys too, but mainly our chickens love these, and they're finishing up molting right now. So these are really good for a boost for them. And then over here, I got 3 more bags because even though they're free ranging, they're going through, I think we have too many chickens. I might have to fix that problem. But yeah, they're going through this like crazy. So 3 40-pound bags of these Scratch and Peck organic feed for the chickens. Then over here, you guys, look at my mess. We actually got a new tree this year. We have really tall cathedral like ceilings. So yeah, so we got a different tree because ours was really short, and I've been really excited since we bought our house a couple years ago to get one. This is in the works. I'm missing a part. A part needed to be replaced, but it is a 12-foot balsam fir narrow tree, and that is coming any day. And our tree will be going up right here, and there will be a video because I'm sure it's going to be pretty comical of me trying to put this together and figure it out. And for those of you concerned about smoke alarms, I'm just going to show you real quick, okay? So here's our staircase. Here's our staircase. Up, up, up. You see that up there? That is at least 24 feet in the ceiling, okay? So when you hear it chirping, it's annoying, I know. Smoke detectors seem to be needing to be changed all at once. But if you see that very top stair, which is a significant drop from where I'm standing, okay? That top stair right there, like you have to balance a ladder on there that has to be tall enough to reach that way up there. So just so you guys know, it's annoying because the ladder is actually here and we have batteries. It's not a matter of buying batteries. We have the batteries. It's a matter of safely being able to access it. So you hear it, you know, I'm having to do a lot of talkovers because I don't think people grasp seriously just how high. And, you know, and then here's our living room ceilings, you know, way up there. I can't even access that fan with a regular size ladder that we have in our house. So just so you guys know, it is being worked on. If you hear it chirp, I don't know. I know. If it annoys you, just, I don't know what to say. I have to continue making videos. So I'm trying to do voiceover ones in the meantime till my husband can take the time to handle that. But in the meantime, just wanted to show you guys while I'm on a video because it's not that easy. Okay, so just so y'all know, all the other ones in the house work. That is the only one left needing to be changed. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this haul. I have a ton of videos coming out, tons of canning videos. I am editing and uploading. Our uploading is really slow here. I have a Christmas decor one coming. I have a deep clean one. Our kitchen's a wreck right now. Real life, we homeschooled, ran out the door to do our Azure order on time. But those ceilings, all those log beams on the ceilings, those need to be washed. And I actually do wash them around this time of year. And while I'm deep cleaning each room, I'm probably going to start decorating for Christmas. And just, ooh, no focus, sorry. Decorating for Christmas and just dusting. And like I said, yeah, we have trees. We have boxes everywhere waiting for the last few parts to get that tree up. And I will take you guys along with some I'm going to do my best with some Clean With Me videos and decorating for Christmas and getting stuff switched out. So anyway, I will see you guys. I got a couple videos uploading right now. They might all come out tonight just to get them out because it's been a couple days of just uploading. So I'll talk to you guys. Until then, I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Take care.